Hi, first grade. All right, we are in Unit 3, Week 4. In your packet, you would have had a paper that looked kind of like this. When you take it out, you can actually fold it into a book. And we were going to read the book together and then answer a few questions on it. So this book is called, actually pause the video if you don't have this with you right now and fold it like this. And make sure you have it in front of you so we can follow along together. All right. The title of the story is Life Long Ago. Life Long Ago. What was life like long ago? What did boys and girls do? They helped a lot at home. Girls helped make clothes. Boys helped to plant. Okay, I identify a girl making clothing. I can identify a boy gardening, planting. Boys and girls fed the hens. They looked for eggs. I spy a chicken. Boys and girls still had time to play. They had fun just like you do. How are they playing right now? They're playing ball. They're playing catch, right? All right, so let's answer some questions. Now, if you want to pause the video here and reread this story one time with your parent, that would be excellent. Or read it on your own would be amazing. Okay? When we reread stories, it helps us understand the story a little bit better. So now that we're done, we're going to read these questions, and we are going to circle the correct answer and write it on the line. So circle, then write. Number 1, the boys and girls all helped, planted. Which one did the boys and girls do? Think in your thought bubble for a second. Well, I can look back and think, back then the boys planted, right? But did everyone help? Yes, they did. So I would circle helped and write helped on the line in my nicest handwriting. Number 2, what did girls do? Girls helped to make clothes or read. I remember that picture. It was make clothes. Yeah, they did. So we are going to write. Now, look, the line is not that long, and look what we have to write on here. So I'm going to write super skinny and try to fit it on here. And even Miss Herman's going to have a hard time right there. And then go ahead and circle make clothes. Pause the video anytime you need a break so you can catch up with me. If I go too fast, I know I write faster than most kids because I've been in school for a very long time. Number 3, what did boys do? Boys helped to, what are their choices? Sew and plant. They helped to plant, right? So we're going to write the word plant, circle it, and write it on the line in my nicest, most bestest handwriting. What we're doing is we're doing a compare and contrast with this story. When we compare something, is what are things that they do the same? Well, the same, both the boys and girls helped, right? But what did they do different? Well, the girls, they helped, the boys helped. The girls made clothes. That was something different. That's a contrast. girls made clothes, boys planted the crops. Okay. But something that they did together is they both helped. And then at the very last question, it says boys and girls fed the. What did they both do? They fed the. Did they feed the plants? No, that would be creepy. Boys and girls fed the hens. Good. Write the word hens. Right on the line. In your nicest handwriting. All right, great job, first grade.